Hi, in this video I am gonna show you how you use Google Maps offline or without internet. If you go to place where there is no internet, then this will be very useful for you. First of all, open Google Maps apps. Then go to this profile section. Tap offline maps. Tap select your own map. In this rectangle, select the area you want. Suppose you want this area to download it, then download it. You can download as many location as you want. This, if you want this location, download it. Then you want to this location, download it. You can download multiple location. After downloading, you can use Google Maps without internet on these locations. You can update also location. You can rename it. It will be easy to find. Or you can delete also this location if you don't want it. If you found this video helpful, then please like it and subscribe for further updates. Thank you for watching.